PSA Terminals is currently operating 7 terminals in Singapore. Another 2 are being built, and we are planning 1 more in Tuas. Container operations seems a fairly simple process. Big boxes come down a vessel to be loaded up onto another vessel. However, in PSA, it is much more complex due to the sheer volume and complexity of connections required by our customers. More than 95,000 containers pass through our terminals every day. This would not be possible without the men and women of PSA. Our operations on the ground are coordinated via the control center. This is the nerve center where all planning departments see their plans turn into action. It is where our operations executives take the lead. OEs work on shift, and every shift begins with a handover briefing by our colleagues from the outgoing shift. You will be briefed on activities that occurred during the previous shift and what to look out for in the coming shift. With that, you will start pre-planning, which includes allocation of resources such as manpower and equipment, and managing the peaks and lull of operations. Careful planning of resources is required, as this will affect the vessel turnaround time. The plan will be communicated to operations supervisors, who will then execute the plan by disseminating information to our ground staff. Operations is dynamic, and OEs work with various supervisors to monitor operations in real time to ensure that everything runs smoothly and according to plan. Exceptions can occur during the shift, and OEs are required to handle them. Some examples of exceptions include containers not found on board vessels at their declared sell locations, as well as managing last-minute requests by customers for tight connections. New OEs are able to seek advice from experienced managers to handle tough situations in the most effective manner. The OE's job is not desk-bound. Coordinating our efforts on the ground means that we have to constantly check in and receive updates of the progress on the ground. This also means seeing some of the biggest vessels in the world and some of the most high-tech and cutting-edge port equipment. At PSA, safety is of paramount importance. OEs are involved in upholding and maintaining safety SOPs on the ground. OEs give direction to hit operational KPIs. To achieve these goals, you must be driven and be able to coordinate multiple departments to work as a whole integrated unit. If working in the world's biggest transshipment hub and being part of companies so deeply entrenched in Singapore's economy and history appeals to you, I hope to see you here.